What's up guys, we're back at the channel and today we are going to do a 10-minute home fat burning workout which will involve all the exercises standing up and laying down. So guys, enough talking, let's dive right in and don't forget to like, subscribe and share guys. So let's go. And the first exercise will be jumping jacks for 1 minute. So let's get a stopwatch ready and here we go. Come on guys, this is a full-on home workout. You can get abs instead of lambs. Come on guys. Whew. We are going to take a 15-second rest after every exercise. And there are 10 exercises in total. 25 seconds left guys. Come on. Whew. This is kind of a pre-workout for abs. First you can tone down the belly fat and then you can work on the abs. Come on guys. Whew. 10 seconds to go guys. Come on. This is brutal guys. And here we go. We are done with the first exercise. Now we're going to do the second one, which is the plank to push up right after a rest of 15 seconds. So guys, we are going to take that rest now. The well-deserved rest for the guys who did the whole exercise. Guys, watch the whole video until the end if you want to get those abs instead of lambs. Come on guys. And we're done with the rest. Now we're going to do the plank to push up. So guys, in this exercise, it's a pretty simple exercise. Position, then we lift our body up. This is going to work your abs, obliques, triceps, shoulders. So basically upper body fat. Come on guys. Let's get started in 3, 2, 1. Guys, remember to keep your back straight and your body in a single line. It shouldn't be like this or like this. It should be a straight line, and when you're doing this, be sure not to put pressure on your neck like some guys do. The next exercise is going to be the butt bridge. That's going to work your lower back. Come on guys. Woo. 20 seconds to go guys. Come on. 5 seconds. 15 seconds. Sorry guys. 15 seconds guys. Come on. 7 seconds to go. You might even see the vascularity rising in your forearms when you're doing this workout. And we're done with this one. Now 15 second rest. 1. 5 seconds to go guys. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's the butt bridge guys. So this is a pretty simple exercise. Your heel should be around 10 inches away from the butt, and then we lift our lower back up. So guys, lift and down, lift and down. So guys, starting in 3, 2, 1, it's the butt bridge. Yeah. This is a really easy exercise for those who are trying to fight back pain. Come on guys, it's going to strengthen your glutes and your butt. So your glutes and your lower back. So you won't have lower back pain if you sit on the chair for too long, like we mostly do nowadays at home. Come on guys. When you're going up, be sure that your whole body is in a straight line. It should be like this and it shouldn't be like this. It should be straight like this. The straight line. Come on guys. Keep fighting. 15 seconds to go guys. Walk with me, sweat with me. Come on guys. 5, 3, the second rest. And the next exercise is going to be the burpees. And you can even do these half burpees if you want to. For the beginner guys, they can do half burpees. So guys, half burpees are really simple. They are just burpees in which you go down, this, then go down again, this, half, and go down. And full burpees are these. By the way guys, we've gone through a rest period. And full burpees are these. These are full burpees guys. But I'm going to do full burpees to show you guys, as I've already given an example of the half burpees. So guys, we are going to do this for 1 minute. Starting in 3, 2, 1. You can even do push-up if you want to, when you're going down. That's going to increase your explosive power in the push-up. So then you can try even more complex push-ups, like the clap push-up, the back twist push-up, etc. Come on guys, get the explosiveness in your body. This is going to make you from a couch potato to a gym potato. Come on guys, 25 seconds to go. This is a whole body exercise. It's going to work your legs, your abs, your arms, your shoulders, everything guys. You name it, you work it. Comment if you like the video and be sure to hit that like button. And we're done with this exercise of 15 second rest guys. So guys, this exercise is going to be the crab toe touch, or you can even do leg marches. I am going to show you leg marches and crab toe touches both. So guys, crab toe touches are really complex exercise for the people who already have abs and who want to maintain their abs by keeping low body fat percentage. So guys, it's like this. We go here, then we balance our weight on 2 arms, then we touch our toe. Toe touch, toe touch, toe touch, toe touch. And guys, the hip march is like this. You lay down the floor, you raise our hips, then be sure to pull your pants up for maximum movement, unless you're wearing the panties. Come on guys. So this is the hip march, and as I showed you here, this is the crab toe touch. I'm going to show you the hip march for 1 minute. Okay guys, let's get started. Hip march, as I told you earlier, a really simple exercise strengthening your hips and your lower back. 3, 2, 1, this is the hip march. This may even strengthen your glutes if you try this exercise with different angles. Like suppose you want to work your glutes, you can even tilt. That's going to stretch your glutes and your lower back. But I'm going to go with the basic version. 30 seconds to go guys. Come on. We are going to do this in the end. No breaks guys. No breaks in the middle. And be sure that your body is in a straight line. It shouldn't be too low, it shouldn't be too up. Always in a straight line guys. You might even feel a burning sensation in your hips and your legs. That's because your muscles are getting micro tears and they're going to grow huge. And we are done with this exercise. Now we're going to go for the next one, which is the high knees. So guys, this is a really simple exercise. You must have done this at school. So guys, you must have done this at school. And it's the high knees, in which So guys, we basically stand and we gotta like pull up our knees to a certain height, like this, approximately your hip. So guys, it's like this. We pull this up. If you see, I am pulling my knees up till here, or maybe even here. It depends on how much fat you want to burn. It's a very good cardio exercise too. So in 3, 2, 1, we are going to do high knees. And you can even keep your hands here if you want to see how high your knees are going. So this is also going to work your abs and your obliques. I'm going to post a squat variation video tomorrow or day after tomorrow. Come on guys. Keep watching. Keep burning. Come on guys. You can take that rest in the middle if you want to. It means that you're working out hard and you're going to burn that fat. You can even keep towel near you if you want to. If you don't want to dirty your hands. 10 seconds to go. Stay focused guys. Never give up. You're done. 15 seconds guys. You're almost done with the workout. Now we're going to go do the butt kickers for 1 minute. This is also another cardio exercise. It's going to help your cardiovascular muscles in your heart, and it's also going to strengthen your legs and your abs. And of course, as the motto of this video, it's also going to burn your fat. So guys, 3, 2, 1, let's go. Remember, you can also keep your hands here if you want to see if they're touching or not. Come on guys, be sure not to run away, because that sometimes happens to me and then I can lose control. Come on guys, stay stabilized, stay focused. If you're thinking about giving up, think about why you started. Come on guys. The next exercise is just going to be the mountain climbers for 1 minute. Seconds. Woo. Come on guys, 7 seconds. Be sure to hydrate yourself after this workout, because this workout is taking a lot of your hydration, and you're going to tend to get, because you're tending to lose a lot of sweat because of this workout. So you better stay hydrated after this, or else you might suffer from stroke or the diseases. So guys, a 15-second break. You can even extend this break to a 30-second break, because it's almost the end of the workout. Only 3 exercises to go. 3, 2, 1 is the mountain climbers guys. So guys, this is a variated exercise. You can do many variations of this, like the cross mountain climbers, like this. And then you can do straight mountain climbers. Then you can do Spider-Man mountain climbers, which are like this. But I'm gonna go with the basic one guys, because I like it the best and it gives the best effects. So guys, let's go. Let's get a timer ready. 3, 2, 1. Be sure to be explosive. But if you're a beginner, you can always go at your own pace. It doesn't matter at what level you are. Beginner, intermediate or advanced. Always go at your own pace. And guys, anyone of any age can do this workout. If you're 83, I don't care. You can always do this workout. You are a teenager or you're a preteen, you can do this workout. It doesn't matter. And you can even lift weights for that matter. Come on guys. 20 seconds to go. Woo. Next is going to be a variation of the jumping jacks, the seal jacks. And 10 seconds to go. You may even get tired at the end, but stay focused and you're done. 15 seconds rest guys. You might want to get up and sit on the couch or something. Guys, now we're going to do the seal jacks, which are like this. So if you ever gone to aquarium or maybe a dolphin show, they've got these seals who clap like this, right? Like this. So we are going to do the same with ourselves. We are going to do a jumping jack, then we are going to add arms to it. Like this. Okay guys, so let's get started. 3, 2, 1, the seal jack. Be sure not to take a cold shower in the shower after this workout because your body is completely warmed up, and if you take a shower, you might even get a cold, a cough, a fever. So do not take that, or else you might get potential symptoms of coronavirus. Guys, you can also take some rest in the middle if you're really tired, and it doesn't matter how much of a rest you take. The thing which matters is that you get back at it and do better than next time. Come on guys. We're done with this exercise. We're going to take a 15-second rest. And then it's the last exercise, which is going to work that stubborn leg fat off, which is the squat jumps. Guys, it's a really simple exercise. We do a squat, then we jump up. But it's really tough too. And if you're a beginner, then you can, instead of doing jumps, you can just do squats. 3, 2, 1, it's the squat jump. Be explosive guys, use the explosive pump in your legs. And you can even do a competition against yourself. You can measure how far did you jump, and then you can break that record the next time. This is really tough guys. It ain't meant to be tough, but because it's in the end, and we've gotten pretty tired because of all the exercises, it seems to be really tough. Keep going. This is brutal guys. My whole body's burning. But don't worry, you can take a cold shower after half an hour or something. Right after your body cools down. And if you are really tall, be sure to watch out for the fan. It might just chop your head off. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 guys, just 5 seconds to go. We are going to make this till the end. 2, 1. That was brutal guys. We've gone through the whole workout guys. Nice job guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share guys. And you can do this workout every day for optimal gains. And be sure to share it to your couch potato friends if you have them. So guys, see you in the next video. Peace out.